Hi guys, we're here sa sports complex. Kasama ko itong aking daughter,
I just hit
si
my
Rapa.
I just hit my tooth.
What?
I just did my tooth.
Dito, nagmemorianda kami while waiting sa kuya niya. Sinundo namin kuya niya dito sa Munsay. Dito kami right now. Buti hindi umulan pero buti nga uminto. Nag-uulan. Diyan nga pala ako dyan sa... Yan yung oval. Diyan ako usually nagja-jog. Jog walk. Tagal. Give me one. Still got one. May I have one?
I just ate it.
Oh. Go.
I just ate it.
Finish it na. Finish it
I
na.
thought-
Finish it na. I'll throw it. Ayun o, may ano doon. One more. One more.
No.
Ayaw mo?
Oh, yeah.
Kana.
I'm sorry, it's over there.
Ayun o, anak. There. Careful.
What time is it?
Ha?
What time is it?
Almost 3:30. Palabas na si kuya. Bye.